Mutongoria wa kiama kia Kenya Karua atetetie itua ria thirikari ria kugura mbembe kuuma nja wa bururi gutari kuramenyekana unyihu uria uri kuo bururi-ini. Karua augite mbembe ciragurwo nja wa bururi gutari na gītūmi na arīmi nio marathīnīka. Athiete na mbere kuga riria President William Ruto ari minister wa urimi no ahutanirie na cira ta uyu wa thogora ya mbembe. Ihenya riria ririho thogora-ini ino ya mbembe kuringana na Karua ironania riu riri ni itena ria keri ria cira wa mbembe, kuona ona meri irakinya gicukiro-ini na murigo wa mbembe, ona mawatho matagathikitwo na arimi ni hindi maragetha. Ona itua ria gwitikiria GMO, Karua augite ritiarumirire watho. Atongoria angi kuma kaunti ya Isiolo ni mekireire uritu wa ndereti-ini ino, undu umwe na ya gwitikiria wendia wa mbembe cia GMO, makienda bururi wa mbeu heo ihinda utaukwo wega ni muthemba ucio wa irio.
Kuna mahindi Kitale, kuna mahindi Eldoret. Si kwanza tununue hiyo mahindi, we empower our farmers. Kama si hivyo, Tanzania hata Uganda iko mahindi.
Na hata kabla tujafika hapo, tumekubaliana iletwe. Kwa hivyo hii ndio ile mjadala inafaa kuendelea Kenya mzima na pia kwa bunge kabla tujafanya uamuzi. Kwa hivyo mimi kama kiongozi naona hiyo mwelekeo imeharakishwa na ifai. Tunafaa kuipatia muda tuweze kuongea vizuri.
Kama hiyo ni chakula ya kununua, mbona ikawa GMO ilali tuko na chakula ingine ambayo ni mahindi iko Uganda na yuko Tanzania? Why go for the GMO? Tunafichwa mambo fulani.
Bunge ya bururi yonekete kugayukanio ni ndereti ino, mwena umwe wa thirikari ugitariria bata wa GMO na angi makiregana nacio kaimana.
Every so many years we are faced with a drought and famine. Honorable Speaker, if we find that certain innovations and science is the solution to some of these problems, Honorable Speaker, we should be bold enough to adopt these changes, Honorable Speaker, and allow our people to enjoy sustainable food security.
Germany, France, Austria, Greece, Hungary, Netherlands, Lithuania, Luxembourg, etc. have rejected GMO.
We cannot be used as guinea pigs for things that we don't know yet, and the impact as it with a high impact of cases of cancer.
The rule of the thumb in health, if there is doubt, you avoid it. You do not take the risk. So as a country, I think we take the rule of the thumb, that where there is doubt, we avoid it, we don't take risk with the health of our people.
Atongoria aria maumete kuria mbembe irimagwo kwa wingi mateteire arimi aria maugete marorete guthinikana kuona makumbe mao ni maihurite na matire marahingurirwo makumbe ma thirikari.
We call upon the government to freeze the importation of maize into the country until April 2023, when we have a clear deficit on how many bags to import into the country.
And wait until all the maize has been mopped and purchased, and then we can say, okay, let's go into the issue of importing.
Because the net effect of that is that it's going to saturate imported maize on the market, and the prices are going to be low. Farmers have invested very heavily in this season especially. So we are saying no.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.